Because back then when I tell you about it, I was lost.
Hey, hello! Welcome to Super Kinara!
Guys, I think I will make a video about Minecraft. So in Minecraft, I've got a big swimming pool and there are mini houses in front of the swimming pool. And my house is really big. At the top of it, there was a little playground like that. And I always play there. And I've got lots of bunnies at my room, outside, the playground. I've got three. There's many. It's not only 10. Billion. There's lots of it. And I think I've got 8 cats. No, I don't know. I think it's 8. I don't know, but I think it's about 8. I don't know. Never mind, it's 8. Yeah, and I've got a cow. Just kidding. I don't have a farm and I don't have a zoo. I only have a swimming pool only. I've got some fish too, and it's better. I have a dog too. Maybe after this I'll spawn some dogs. I think 2 dogs is better. Like that. Because I love animals. So after this, I will have 3 animals. No, 4. 4 is with my fish too. Fish in the swimming pool because I love it so much, really. And I want to find some village, but I'm afraid that I'll get lost because back then when I tell you about it, I was lost and I don't have a house. So I made a big house that I just tell you right now. Wait, well, not right now. Oh yes, it's right now. And I think I will find a village, but I'll get lost again. And I have to build a busy house. I've got lots of houses. I've got 2 houses. No, I've got 4, maybe 4, because in my house, in my old house, I've got a rock house and a tree house made of mushroom because I love mushroom. No, I'm just kidding, but I just love the color and the shapes. I just love it. And the third one is the white one, of course, because snow. The white one and the pink one. So I've got 4 houses. That's a lot though. Okay guys, I think that's all. Thank you. Bye, super fans.